My name's Dylan. I'm the lead developer at Hashbit and at eos-wallet Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to use scatter with eos-wallet Pro. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go into your browser, then click on scatter, the scatter extension. You already need to have scatter installed, obviously, and then we're going to click on identities. We need to create a new identity, save. So this is our new identity here. Then we are going to need to generate a key pair. Click new, generate key pair. Then we need to name the key pair, test123, save. Then now we're going to need to connect to the testnet. So if we come over here to dev.cryptolines.io, this is a jungle testnet using Dawn 4.2.0 of Block 1 software. If we click here, then we get all the block producing nodes and IP addresses of the nodes that are currently connected to the testnet. So we're going to need to connect to one of these nodes. So we click here, settings, network, new network. Then we need to enter, first thing we need to do is copy the chain ID. This basically tells what chain to connect to. I'll post this ID in the description below. Okay, so we're going to go in here, click here, then networks, then new. We're going to paste the chain ID down here. Then we're going to copy one of these domains or IP addresses. It can be any one of these, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to connect to the second one, 35.180.46.228. And then the port, which is here, this the blue one, is 8888. So 88. Click save. Now we are going to need to generate an account with the key pair that we just generated. So we click in here, key pairs. We copy this key pair we just generated. We go to create account, paste here, and paste here. Now we need to enter a 12-letter account name. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is our account name. Click generate. This just created an account for us. Now we can go over here to identities, click edit, then we can do import. So we do test123, import, and then here we've got our account name that we just generated over here. And you are going to want to select active, not owner, active. You selected account, click save. Okay, that's all set up. Now we're ready to log into eos-wallet Pro with scatter. So if we refresh this, okay, got it. Click scatter. Then we can choose the account we want it to use. So we've only created one account, so we'll use this one. Accept, use this account. So currently this account has no balance, but because we're on the testnet, we can get some coins. So let's go to get coins, copy the account name. Here, this is the testnet faucet. This just sent us 50 EOS and 50 jungle tokens. So if we go back in here, we click query balance. There we go, we've got our balance updated. And along with our RAM usage and CPU limit and date that the account was created. So let's send a transaction. Let's instead of having to create a new account, let's just send it to the EOS.io Genesis account. So let's send 12 EOS. Click send transaction. Okay, so here it's going to ask you if you want to sign the transaction. Click accept. That signs the transaction. Click query balance. See our balance has gone down. So that's how you use scatter. We can also use tokens here. Send tokens. So it said 12 jungle tokens. Accept. Signed and sent. Okay, so that was scatter. I thought we'd integrate this because we got a lot of complaints the other day through people saying they didn't want to enter their private key when they log in. So here, we just have this option where you have to enter your private key, and obviously that's not very safe. So we use scatter. You don't have to enter your private key. You just log in and it signs a transaction without exposing your private key anywhere. So that's how to use scatter. If you have any issues, you can join us in the Telegram group and then ask any questions. Okay, thanks.